Hi, my name is Nihira. Today I am gonna tell you the glory of Rama and the story of Ramayana. Meet the characters of Ramayana. Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, our hero Jai Hanuman, and the villain Ravana. Ha ha ha. Once upon a time, in a kingdom called Ayodhya, there lived a brave and kind prince called Rama. He was the son of King Dasaratha and Queen Kausalya. He had 3 brothers, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna. He was married to a beautiful princess called Sita. His stepmother Kaikeyi wanted her son to be a king. So she asked the king to send Rama to the forest for 14 years. Rama followed his father's order and left for forest with his wife Sita and his brother Lakshmana. In the forest, Ravana saw Sita and wanted her to be his queen. So he do some trick and took Sita to his kingdom, Lanka. Rama and Lakshmana are sad. Here comes our hero Jai Hanuman to help Rama find Sita. Rama, Lakshmana and our hero Hanuman with the monkey warriors crossed the ocean to Lanka. Fought with Ravana. Rama killed Ravana and saved Sita. They all went back to Ayodhya, where Rama was crowned as a king and ruled happily ever after. Happy Sri Ramanavami. If you like my story, hit the like and share button. Please subscribe to our channel GN Speak and Shine for more stories.